Okay, now let's look at question 8. This time round, the question takes the form of a word problem. Alright, you're told that a forest ranger needs to measure the distance, and he has all the points and the measurements, and you're supposed to name a pair of congruent triangles. So again, looking at the information that we have, okay, we see that we have a pair, okay, one pair of same side, another pair of same side. Alright, that's only all. Okay, we only have two pairs of same side. The third side, okay, I cannot assume that RB is equals to YZ unless I prove that they are congruent triangles. So I know, okay, based on what we learned so far, SSS and SAS, we know that, okay, SSS is out because I don't have the third side. So which leaves us with SAS. If we want to use SAS, we got to find included angle. Now let's look at the two included angles here. Okay, can we find any similarity between the two included angles? Now you can see that these are what we call vertically opposite angles, and they are equal. So if we can show that these two are equals, then we can use the SAS property. Right, so for part A, okay, you can show that the side XY, okay, X will correspond to X because the angles are equal. XY is equals to XB is equals to 30 meters. And this is our first side. Now the second side, XZ, is equals to, okay, XR, and is equals to 14 meters. Okay, this is the second side. And the included angle, okay, angle YXZ will be equals to angle. Now make sure that we have to write correspondingly. Y will correspond to B. Okay, X corresponds to X and Z corresponds to R. And okay, and the reason why is because they are vertically opposite angles. And this gives you your 8. And therefore, you can prove that triangle YXZ is equals or congruent to triangle BXR. And the reason is SAS. Now, once you prove that the two triangles are congruent, this will mean that, okay, the last side will be equal as well. Therefore, if you want to find RB in part B, you know that RB will just be equal to the third side of the triangle on the left, okay, which you can see is 34 meters. And you're done.